on both the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the remote control. Make sure the drone is placed on a flat, level surface. Ensure your drone and remote are connected properly. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner of the app. Then, go to the control section. Scroll down and tap on Gimbal Calibration. Tap Auto Calibration. The gimbal will now move automatically to calibrate itself. This process may take a few moments, so make sure the drone remains still during this time. Once the calibration is complete, you'll see a confirmation message on the screen. Your gimbal is now calibrated and ready for smooth, stable footage. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.